health issue.
Yeah.
She was tired. She spent the money on the youngest, the Sangomas. The doctors couldn't help. But a state of desperation, my sister, kicked in. That's what I said, desperaat geraakt.
Ja.
En volgens die wet van die Joden, als een vrouw ziek is,
Ja.
raak je niet een man.
Yes.
En een man doet dood op sport. Zeg maar, je was van heel volgens die wet. Hoe kom raak je die man? Maar die vrouw was op een punt van desperaatheid. En die vrouw heeft gezegd, als ze mij doodmaakt, dan mag ze mij dood. En die vrouw heeft beginnen krachtloos dat. Met andere woorden, she couldn't walk anymore. She was crawling. She was crawling. And there was a cloud. And the cloud heard that the Messiah, the masterpiece, Jesus Christ, is passing by. He came to a ear. And she said to herself, it's wrong. If I have to die, I have to die. But I've got to take my chance. What that man called the Messiah. And she crawled. She crawled. She crawled in the midst of the people. En die mensen zijn de vingers gedrapen. Maar ze is gegaan. But hoe kom? She heard that the Messiah is around. And the Bible says when she saw Jesus Christ, she touched the hem of the garment of the Lord of Jesus Christ. Desperation. And Jesus turned around. And Jesus asked the question, who has touched me? Peter said, Master, Master, how many people are touching you? That one touch you. That one touch you. I touch you. What are you saying? He said, Peter, Peter, my virtue, my power, my kracht, het heidt mij uitgelopen. Desperation. Desperation. Die vrouw was desperaat. Wanneer laat was jij desperaat?
Ja.
When were you desperate? When were you desperate? Say, God, my father is a drug dealer.
Ja.